Recently, I got a thought of creating my own Lightroom XMP presets, so I started working on it. And in this video, I'll be talking about my first ever created Lightroom preset called Fuchsia Hunter. Of course, it's not the voice by Google, but pinkish purple and hunter green combo. Without any further ado, let's get started. The example preset is given in the description below. Go ahead and check out that after the end of this video. This preset looks stunning in low light and moody images, but not the highlight or bright images. It takes a lot of time to do from the beginning, like it may take some 10-15 minutes and that would make the video longer. So I'll show you by applying the preset directly. Here are some of the examples of some images. Let's go through it one by one. The image is loading. I took this from image from the internet. Here's the before and here's the after. This looks stunning, right? And this is the another image. This is the before and here's the after. The darker part have been completely faded out. And this is the image that I took in our college. Here's the before and here's the after. As I said before, the image does not look that great or good in the bright or highlight images. This is the example for that. This is the before and here's the after. But moving on to this image, it makes the image look somewhat stylish, but the darker part have been completely faded out. Here's the before and here's the after. This is also the image that I took in our college. Here's the before and here's the after. Here's the before and here's the after. How does it look? Comment down your opinions below. Here's the before and here's the after. This is the image that I liked very much. Take a look. Here's the before and here's the after. I got this image from the internet. Even this also, I like this image very much. Here's the before and here's the after. This image, the image seems to be a little faded. You need to adjust it if you want it to look stunning. Here's the before and here's the after. This is another example for the image that looks bad in the bright or light images. Take a look at it. But of course you can normalize this image by dehazing like this. It's bringing back the detail. Of course it looks stunning now. This preset doesn't hold good with all of the images like this one. Zoom in. Take a look. This doll looks weird. Like it has a disease, I think. Okay, this is the last image. Comment down your opinion below. I'll reply for sure. If you don't know the color combos of these images, here it is. Fuchsia is a mixture of pink and purple. Hunter is a mixture of green, blue and a little bit of yellow. Yeah, I forgot to tell. Fuchsia Hunter looks good even in the cityscape images also. If you want this preset and you don't know how to install this preset, then go ahead and check out our another video from the Lightroom series after the end of this video, and the link is in the description below as well as the card appearing in the top right corner. If you watch that video, then you'll surely learn how to install the presets in all the 3 formats that exist right now. I hope that you'll find this video helpful and you are planning to download the preset right now. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to PixinCreate, followed by the bell icon for more tips, tricks and tutorials. Lastly, this is Pawan and you're watching PixinCreate, and I'll see you in the next one.